your shampoo at, boys? Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. The weather does not look promising today. Oh no. It's okay. Do you even know what kind of fish you're allowed to catch? What are you doing, Grace? Rowan is fishing in the pool. Good morning. We're heading out to breakfast already. It's only like 8 in the morning, so it's a pretty early morning for us. Едем к Винсу. Ты будешь играть с Винсом. We made it to downtown. So now we're just gonna look for a place to have breakfast. Где Винс?
Смотри. Смотри, кто тут. Кто там?
It's your friend. Grabbed a few pastries from Off Horse Bakery, and now we're headed to grab coffee at Breaking Wave Coffee because they have the best coffee so far that we have found here. Hey, that baby came? Is that a baby? Got a bunch of little friends. He's here. So it's decided that we're going to Anna Maria Island today. We were just there yesterday, and now we're going again because some of our friends flew into town, and it's honestly like the best beach over there. So we're just gonna go there because the kids love hanging out there. There's not as many people, so it's easier to actually keep an eye and keep track of them. So I'm getting some stuff ready for the kids. Can плавать? Uh-oh. Ты сняла ту-ту? Yeah? Там веселишься? We're gonna be taking these paddle boards out to the ocean today. Hey! Вы что здесь делаете? Ты взял папин ням-ням? Did you give him the samsa? I guess he pulled it out by himself. Ням-ням. Дай Gracie чуть-чуть. Дай Gracie чуть-чуть. Thank you. Good job. Whoa! Beep. You're trying so hard. Whoa. Hey! Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Идем садиться. Oh, thank you. Все, пошли к маме. Иди к маме. Кейн, иди сюда. Иди сюда. It only took an hour to get ready and packed and finally drive out to the beach. Ложитесь спать. Закрывайте глазки. These kids better go to sleep on the way there. To sleep. Good job, Grace. The weather does not look promising today.
So we are reverting to plan 2.0. Take as least things as possible. So that way it's easier to bounce.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mom, нету.
Где пи?
Нету пи.
Где пи?
Mom. Whoa. Whoa. Hey.
You guys entertained yet? That looks so bad on camera.
I know.
It's like 10 times
It looks worse on camera. Parking situation is kind of trash here, but we managed to find a spot right here behind these golf carts. And people just park all over the streets. Putting the shoes on.
Whoa.
I guess we're just gonna take a small diaper bag of just towels and the cups, like essentials. That way, if it rains, we just grab it and run to the car. Whoop. Swim diapers are going on. Look at all those birds. They're just flying all over the place. I think they feel that it's about to dump rain.
It's okay, we're putting on a one piece.
No, not even gonna put sunscreen on him.
Gracie.
Let's put your swim diaper on. Let's go.
Kenchik, иди к тете.
Hey, на дорогу нельзя.
Gracie's all done.
Yes, she is. She's all wearing her little fishies. Держи, Grace, держи. Yeah, давай, 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Woo. Good job. We decided to take the wagon after all because we're not really vibing, chasing these kids around the road. with golf carts and cars driving by everywhere. Wanna go fishing?
Yeah.
Here? Do you even know what kind of fish you're allowed to catch?
Nope. We catch them all. If it's got chashia, we keep it.
These clouds are coming closer to the beach. They're like almost right on top of them.
Oh, I'm gonna be opening. Oh, I will. I want to get top.
Do you hear her? She's chasing him. Baby, down baby, there. Grace is just chilling. Dennis is going fishing. What are you doing, Grace? Grace, что ты делаешь? Okay, Grace, что ты делаешь? Так громко делает. Yeah, там птички. People are starting to leave, except us. We're all still sitting here. Look at those clouds. Гром. Это гром. It's starting to rain. Что? Садись, садись сюда, садись. Садись возле мамы и тети. Dennis said we're gonna be sitting through this rain, but I don't know. I mean, it goes dark pretty far, and it's not that warm today. And Kane is kind of scared of the rain. There's not a soul in the water but our husbands. How do you feel about that? Инвалидца, да, ты не мама. Ты хочешь hug тоже? Oh no, it's starting. Uh-oh. Not sprinkling anymore. Hiding between Tata and Mama. Oh. Oh, that's like heavy too. And this is covering himself with the board. Oh my gosh. He's covering us. Babe, he doesn't like it at all. Okay. The rain is kind of cold today because it's not really a hot day anyway, so we're heading back to the car. Run, 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 run. Grace is not liking this. Look at her face. No? It is getting bad. Okay.
Hang out here, I'll go bring the car.
Dennis should turn his food on and we can go swimming. I know, he should. Oh, whoa, that is bad. Сейчас папа приедет на машине, нас заберет, okay? Oh no, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. I know. Ты намочился. It's okay. Here you go. Все. Hey, it's okay. Ты там дождик?
I'm soaked.
They started crying so bad. Do you see how wet it is under the street? Oh, there's Roman. Time we got packed in the car, the rain kind of stopped, so that was kind of pointless. But it doesn't really look like it's gonna clear up and be sunny anytime soon. So we are stopping by this ice cream shop right here, grabbing ice cream to go, and then heading home. So it's мороженое. Kane хватит? Yeah. Legit just saw lightning hit that nest. That was like, it looked like an explosion.
It was kind of bright. My eyes,
And it was loud.
my eyes still hurt. Like when I blink, I see it.
It is pouring.
Great call.
I literally told Dennis, let's wait out the rain, and as soon as I said that, he's like, you wait it out with Kane because Kane's sleeping, and I'll take Grace and go. It starts raining like 2 times harder as soon as he walks out of the car. So he's like, great call, babe, great call. When it rains in Florida, it rains. So get your shampoo out, boys. Are you so wet? Oh my God. Run, 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 run! Get out of here! Oh my God.
Let's go.
Idziesz z papę kupаться? No? Idziemy kupаться? Тетя в зале? She doesn't want to. I tried.
Come on. Look, you better look. Grace, relax. You're so funny.
Oh, I fed them out.
They're not hungry? Okay, well, you want to give them some candy? They can open the back of the freaking dinosaur. The ass is actually the candy.
They're gonna get all dirty.
That's fine. What's a kid if he's not dirty? Bye.
Go, baby.
You know what he just did? You need to rewatch that. He literally threw the dinosaur. He's like, bye. Kid, he's not dirty.
Dude, you've been listening to this for the last 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's why. Oh.
So what?
Oh, sorry, guys. I need to do my hair. There you go. So much better.
Grace.
There's so much happening in this car right now.
I know,
We're about to all die. All right. Please don't let it match on me.
Hey, that calmed her down. She got interested. Oh, spoke too soon.
Brandon, keep spraying. Oh man, I
Keep
can't smell.
spraying.
I can't sniff nothing.
Finally, we're here. Got to our dinner spot, but we have 10 minutes to wait because there's like 10 of us. Finally got Grace to calm down with some candy. But of course, Kane has to have the same thing, so
how's everyone doing?
we're getting his out too.
Awesome, how are you?
Gracie's on babysitting duty.
You have ranch under your eyeball, Grace. They love ranch or ketchup. Honestly, anything that you can dip.
Эй, ты что делаешь?
Who's ranch?
We are finally done with dinner. It was actually not too bad. The kids did good because of the candy that Dennis brought, so we lucked out on that one. We're finally home. The kids are asleep. It was a decent dinner. The kids weren't too crazy. Manageable. Thank you guys for hanging out with us today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Roman is fishing in the pool. We're going fishing tomorrow, so he's practicing.